In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this origami bowl that really works. Check that out. Isn't that cool? And yeah. And if you fold it from foil origami paper, you can use it to have cereal in it or something like that. But if you use just normal paper, you can put like some chips or candy inside of it. And yeah, it's a really cool model. And for my members only, I made this origami plate that also works. And to become a member, find the join button. It's only like a couple dollars per month. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to make this origami bowl. So ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami, but you could use a sheet of printer paper cut square. So let's begin with the white side up and fold in half. So this will end up being a brown bowl, or a wooden bowl. So we're going to fold in half in all directions. So first diagonally. And unfold and fold this way. By the way, if you use like a 10-inch square or maybe a 14-inch square, you can probably use it as a life-size bowl. Okay. Alright, unfold. And now we're going to estimate an octagon. So we're going to fold these up. And this doesn't need to be perfect. Just estimate it. Just eyeball it. So what I'm doing, I'm going to go ahead and just make the fold first. So I'm going to have this length, and this length to have equal length. Just like that. It doesn't need to be perfect. And repeat on this side. And here I'm going to match what I did here, and then on this one I'm going to match what I did there. Alright, like that. Okay, now turn over. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take a corner and we're going to fold it to the middle. And don't fold the whole thing. We're just going to fold in between. I'm going to have to use my pen for this so you can see. In between this crease and this crease. So in between those two creases. Like that. Okay. And then now, this corner, we're going to bring to the middle also. And lift this flap up. And fold in between this crease and that crease. Like that, it's just on that segment. And then do that going all the way around. Here we go, and I'm going to fast forward this part. Okay, so there is our inner octagon, which is going to be the bottom of the bowl. And this whole thing is the inside of the bowl. And this is going to be the bottom. So, now what we're going to do is we're going to make some pleat folds, and that's going to form the rim of the bowl. So let's start right here on this raw edge. So we're going to take this crease, and these pleats, they're actually to taste. You could do them to taste. But on this one, only the ones with the raw edges, I have a guide mark. You can pleat it like this, and you want the fold to originate at that corner of the octagon in the middle, and you want to pleat it so this corner aligns with that point. So pretend like there's a crease going in between these 2 points, just like that. It doesn't need to be perfect. Just do your best, like that. Okay, now this one right here on the folded edge, same thing. Make it a mountain fold, and this pleat you don't need to make it as big as this one. This one can be a bit narrow, like this, just about like that. See, I'm showing you from this side here, just about like that. Okay, and the fold should originate to about that, to about the inner octagon. Okay, Now this one, this is the raw edge one. I'm going to fold it so the corner aligns with that corner. Or you can just do it to taste if you like. It's up to you. Just make your bowl however you want. Okay, now you should get the idea, so I'm going to fast forward the rest. Okay, like this. Alright. And now, if this flap kind of sticks up, just fold it over like that. Just that way there's no flap sticking up on the underside of the bowl. Okay, so here we have the bowl taking shape. Oh, this almost kind of looks like a flower, kind of. So you can kind of see the petals. But no, we're not making a flower, we are making a bowl. So now we're going to lock these together. So this is how we're going to do it. So I'm going to start right here. Make sure this pleat stays in place. And we're going to fold this down. And we're going to fold this whole flap down right on that corner right there. Here we go. Make sure that pleat stays in place. And you want the fold to originate at this point. And we're folding down like this. So when we fold down on that corner, that's what locks it. See? And now it's locked. Okay, now we're going to do that all the way around. So on this one's a little bit different, but same thing. We're going to fold down right on that corner. And the fold is going to originate, I guess, at that point. Or maybe not, maybe, yeah, just to that point, it's fine. Or maybe close to it is good, too. See? And now that's locked. And now just repeat that process going all the way around. So this one again, it's going to originate at maybe close to that point, and we're folding on that corner. See? That's what it looks like right there. You could actually make this fold go to this point if you want, but I have an interesting lock that I want to show you, which is optional. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward the rest. Okay, and now if you like it like this, then you're done. But I'm gonna take this flap and kind of lock it together. I'm gonna fold this down right over it, so it kind of wraps over the flap and keeps it down. See? Like that. And that makes it look a lot better. And any flaps you see like that, just do the same thing. I guess it's only 2 flaps like that. And yeah, and these locks are really, this is all to taste. You can just make it look like a bowl in your way. And once you did that, your origami bowl, DIY bowl, is completed. Yeah, and on this side it can be a drum. And yeah, it's a really cool model. I really like it. Move my pen. Okay, and yeah, see, this is really good for like candy or chips or chocolate or something like that. Just any dry stuff. You can put crackers in there. Yeah. And this is Mike and Ike, and I love Mike and Ike. Might as well eat one right now. I'm eating out of my origami bowl. I love Mike and Ike's. This is one of my favorite candies. I've always loved it. Yeah, this is just the regular one, the original fruits one. I got this for Christmas. And yeah. Alright, well, there it is. And if you become a member of my channel, maybe next, make this origami plate. And you can make some origami silverware too. I taught a spoon in this video, a fork, and a knife. So you can make either of those. Well, the knife is actually for my members also. And, yeah, and also for members, in a couple days I'm going to teach this origami flicker. And it flies really good too. And you can, well, I'm not going to put that in the card because that's going to be for my members. But yeah. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed folding this bowl. And make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.